Hoes.
What's up YouTube? It's your girl here to tell you back another video. As I can see by the title and the thumbnail, it's gonna be VLOGMAS day one. Like, you gotta keep it up. Last year I did it and now I'm starting on like day 6, okay? But we're gonna try to get through it. So, like and subscribe, enjoy the video. And yeah, there's so many people to say into the video. But as I can see by the title today, or tonight, wherever, I'm gonna be cooking. I'm gonna be cooking dip and we're gonna try to do like, we're gonna try to paint actually. But, well, we was supposed to paint, but we didn't paint, so we're gonna probably have to do it tomorrow. So, we was gonna paint the ornament, some DIY ornament that we got from Dollar Street or whatever it's gonna be. But yeah, I'm gonna be cooking. Yeah. I got the heat on right now, y'all. Come on, let me see that. Anyways. Yeah, that's bad. So, yeah, and after that, I did it. But I ain't saying, you know, I ain't do that. I did it. That went and I did it. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when the meat is done, and I'm gonna do the cheese and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be back, and yeah, and another thing, we're gonna be watching a movie. We're gonna watch a Christmas movie. I gotta pay for the thing first, and then we're gonna watch some Christmas movie. I don't know which Christmas movie we're gonna watch yet, but we're gonna try to do that. And we're probably gonna do popcorn. I don't know. You're probably gonna do popcorn tomorrow when we paint and all that other stuff. But yeah, y'all gonna see, so stay tuned for that video as well. And yeah, y'all don't miss the video for it. Like, don't. So let me come back and okay. And excuse me, I have to be on because yeah, amen. So anyways, yeah, that's what I got to be on with the lace is not lace and plus it's nighttime and yeah. So, anyways, I'm gonna let y'all when the meat is finished. Okay, so my y'all know, well y'all don't know, but I'm in my new house or whatever. We just moved here, so we don't have like a lot of pots and pans and stuff like that. So I don't move this over here because I think that glare is to make me mad, But anyway, so we don't have a lot of pots and pans and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna cook everything in one pan. Well, basically like just the meat and the cheese. That's it. But anyways, these are the 4 seasonings that is going in the meat. So those are the 4 seasonings that go in the meat. After I drain it, and I'm gonna put the meat in here, and then I'm gonna clean the pot, and then I'm gonna melt the cheese, and then yeah. So y'all gonna see that. Move it over here. So y'all be able to see that and all the good stuff. But my pepper. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm about to do that. Drain the meat first and then put it in here. So let's see, amen. Can y'all see? That's what I really can't see. My left side. And then the insulator is kinda easy in the way. About. There you go. So she's doing the cheese and stuff. I don't know what she's doing. But then probably coming up and then I'm sorry for the light going. Like right there, I'm sorry y'all. I don't know, kill my camera. Alright, yeah, excuse the glare. But anyways, I cut up this cheese. We only doing half I only did half of the meat, and I'm just gonna do half of this cheese. So I got this pot, clean, very clean. It's hot, very clean. Got the stove on. We're gonna put some milk in there at the bottom of the pot. Not too much, just enough. And we're gonna turn it on low. We don't wanna burn the cheese. And then we're gonna put our pieces in. Make sure you keep it very good eyes. Yeah. So one burn. So yeah, we're gonna put it on low or medium. So the cheese won't burn. I got no burnt cheese now. But anyways, yeah, that's that. So I put the cheese in the liquid here. So yeah, I'm gonna get that to y'all when this cheese gets melted in the stuff. I'm gonna get a feeling of the cheese, you know, I'm doing manipulation, how to get stuff or starting to that. So yeah, this is gonna be real good. And I'm gonna season this this meat. I'm gonna bring it right here, so that glare, like, it's still glaring, but it needs to come down. Put seasoning, I think this is not open. But we about to get this seasoning in this meat, so it won't be, you know, just plain and original. I can't open this. Hold on. Boom, got it. Alright, so we need this. And this is open. This is open. We're not gonna use too much, y'all. Especially not too much of the onion powder and garlic powder. But just enough. Because all those other seasonings kind of mix in and all that good stuff. Make sure you don't forget about your cheese. You don't want it to burn. Oh wow. Just enough, y'all. Literally just enough. And I'm gonna stir it up. Hold on. And just stir it up. All those ingredients. I need to be playing some music or something. So the cheese is starting to melt. Man, I can't see it. I look. Man, I can't see the cheese. The cheese is starting to melt, so that's good. Now I'm gonna put this meat in this microwave until the cheese gets finished. And then I'm gonna close these things like that. This thing is so loud, like, oh my goodness. Okay, y'all, the cheese is done. But the thing about it, I'm trying to figure out, so hold on, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You know, like, so, anyway, so I'm trying to see, should I put the cheese? This is the cheese. Should I put the cheese in here? Or should I pour the meat into the cheese? And I have to open this with a knife because I got a can opener right now. So, yeah, but I don't know, like, I feel like I'm just pour it in here because it'll mix better in here. I don't know, we're gonna don't know. I really don't know. Okay, we're just gonna put it in here. Yeah, we're just gonna put it in here. Yeah. Gonna put it there. And I only did one big can. Only did like a half of the meat here. Then I put cheese. Yeah. Ready. The dip is done. That's the only thing we're gonna have. We got some chips. We got Doritos. We got red Doritos and these right here. I really wish. That's what I said about Walmart. I really wish I had some ranch because I love some ranch with some Doritos and dip. But anyways, yeah. So I'm about to tell these peaks the food is done. Whatever. So you can't eat it like that. This is the food. Hold on, y'all. This is the food though. Very good. But let me show you how to do it. Alright. This is the food, what y'all think? Period. Anyways, yeah. But I'm about to model.
Don't worry about it.
Look at me. You know what? I'm about to put some of this in the cup with some ice so I can, you know, drink something to drink. For my food. We need to show us.
And that's the food.
Yeah, my stuff recorded too.
What's in the box?
Period. Y'all go subscribe to her channel. Living with Naya, period.
That's right. You know, subscribe to her channel or something. I'm just thinking about the channel.
That's bad.
So let me go ahead and fix my plate because I'm going to
if y'all don't get crushed ice out of the fridge, I wonder what's wrong with you. But the crushed ice is so freaking good. But, I don't know what movie we're gonna watch. I really want to watch Home Alone because you know that. Y'all about to fix my plate. My phone keep cutting out because I don't got no storage. Not just saying for some storage, but anyways.
should I get a bowl or like a bowl like or like
a bowl. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to put some food in. Hold on. Got my food right here, and I'm gonna period.
I don't want to do it like
I really wish I had some ranch, but I don't know. Anyway, I'm about to eat this. Probably gonna be the end of this video or not. I'm probably gonna vlog a little bit when we watch our movie. First, I gotta find a movie that we can that you know we're gonna watch. Maybe Home Alone or Police Price. I don't know. Gotta see what it's on. But yeah, hold on. I can't get my thing to work, so we can watch something. My Disney Plus, I can't get to work, so we just gonna watch it on probably on YouTube, cause I do be forgetting they be having like free movies on there and stuff like that. But we probably gonna do with that, or probably either watch like a regular vlog, like somebody else vlog here. I think it's that. So anyways, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to come back and watch the other vlogmas. And yes, we got stay tuned for everything in the vlogmas. and I'm gonna post for real. So let me go edit this. I'm going to post it tonight. And yeah, so see y'all. Bye.